Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and I have a new suggestion from Thailand my friends. Today we are gonna listen one more The Golden Singer performance, and this time the title's translation is, the song's name is No One, the singer's name is No One Kanlayavan. The title is The Golden Singer, beautiful sound stage, and I'm sure that we are gonna watch one more beautiful performance. Let's start my friends. No One Kanlayavan. No One. Okay. Her name is No One. And her name is sounding similar with the name of the song, English name. No One from No One. Okay? I don't know if the translation is correct, but okay. No One from No One.
ลงเหลือไว้เพียงแต่ความหลังกับชีวิตที่อ้างว้างเดียวดายแขวนคว้างและทุกข์ทนสับสนจนไร้จุดหมายไม่มีคนไม่มีใครเหลือทิ้งไว้เพียงแต่ตัวฉันอยู่กับความฝันที่ต้องพังทั้งหลาย
It started amazing, my friends. It started very impressive. Her voice, her singing style is very impressive. There is very soft music in this performance, so we can clearly hear her voice. We can clearly hear her quality voice. And we can clearly hear that her transmitting her emotion to her voice. This is very impressive. Her voice is quality. Let's continue. Hello, Claire. How are you?
ฝันไว้สวยงามแต่แล้วมันก็ผ่านไปเหมือนสายลมที่ไร้ร่องรอยไม่มีใครไม่เหลือใครสิ่งที่คว้าไว้มันกับเลื่อนลอยได้แต่รอคอยคนที่จากไปนั่งมองเงามองอย่างเหงาใจก็ไม่รู้ว่านานอีกเท่าไรกว่าสิ่งที่เสียไปจะกลับมา
Not only quality, she has very strong voice also. Come on. The transformation of this music was very delicious, my friends. Okay, the entrance was, we had very soft music, but now the music is changing, the tempo is changing, and her singing style is changing. Her voice is changing. She is using very strong voice now. And this is very impressive also. You are amazing, no one. Wow. Ooh.
กว่าสิ่งที่เสียไปจะกลับมา
And she returned that soft, breathy voice in the last part. She's gonna finish this performance with very emotional moment, right? Let's rewind that. She started with a very emotional, very breathy, and very impressive voice style with that soft music. She turned her voice to that strong, jazzy moment, and now she is down again with a slow and breathy emotional part, okay? She's very talented. No one, you are very talented. You have very beautiful voice.
อาจเป็นเช่นนี้ไป ตลอดกาล
Bravo. Bravo. This is amazing. This performance is so beautiful, my friends. This performance, it started same and it ended same. Same feelings. In the middle, it was crazy. It was very strong. But it ended with very soft and very emotional also. It was very impressive performance, my friends. She is really very quality singer. I love that. This is my first time to listen in her. I have no idea about no one, but she is really very quality singer, my friends. No one can Layavan. The golden singer, beautiful sound stage. Thank you for your suggestions, my friends. Thank you for watching it with me. This is really delicious performance from No One. She sang No One. Thank you for watching it with me. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.